Alphabet Song IPA. Hi, how are you? Have you listened to the song about animals and objects in the letter D song yet? You can listen to this song again to warm up before starting this IPA pronunciation lesson. Please drink some warm water and relax while practicing with Woala English. Practice together right now.
D D D
Dog. Dog. D is for dog, who wags his tail. Dog is a common animal with 4 legs, especially kept by people as a pet or to hunt or guard things.
Duck Duck
D is for duck, paddling on the trail. Duck is a bird that lives by water and has webbed feet, skin between the toes, a short neck, and a large beak. Dolphin. Dolphin. D is for dolphin, splashing in the sea. Dolphin is a sea mammal that is large, smooth, and gray with a long, pointed mouth. Deer. Deer. D is for deer, running wild and free. Deer is a quite large animal with 4 legs that eats grass and leaves. The male usually has antlers, wide horns like branches. Drum. Drum. D is for drum, boom, boom, boom. Drum is a musical instrument, especially one made from a skin stretched over the end of a hollow tube, played by hitting with the hand or a stick. Door. Door. D is for door, open every room. Door is a flat object that is used to close the entrance of something, such as a room or building, or the entrance itself. Daylight. Daylight. D is for daylight, shining bright and warm. Daylight is the natural light emitted by the sun, including direct light and diffuse radiation, from the sky between dawn and dusk. Daisy. Daisy. D is for daisy, blooming in a storm. Daisy is a small flower with white petals and a yellow center that often grows in grass. Donkey. Donkey. D is for donkey. Donkey is an animal that resembles a small horse with long ears. The donkey's fur color ranges from white to gray or black. Drinking. Drinking. D is for drinking tea. Drinking, the form of drink, means essentially drinking, or the act of consuming liquid. Dream. Dream. D is for dreams, for you and me. Dreams are images, thoughts, or emotions that occur in your mind while you are sleeping, or a great desire for something in the future.
Congratulations!
You've just completed the pronunciation practice for animal and object names that begin with the letter D. Now, take a deep breath and drink some warm water. Please rewatch this video daily to practice. We believe you can improve your English quickly by practicing with Woala English. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to watch the latest English songs and short stories, and practice English every day. Thank you.